Today I'm super excited because we've got something very, very, very special happening. We have a delivery which I'm about to go and pick up. Exciting! Yay! I'm off to pick up the first copies that we've had of our new book, Speedy BOSH. This is our fourth book, third cookbook, and it's all super speedy, super fast recipes. Gonna tell you more about the book once I've got it in my hands, but first off, gotta go and pick up the package. Yes, got it. This is a super exciting moment. A box is absolutely jam-packed full of our Speedy BOSH books. We've not seen it, the publisher's not seen it. Let's go open it.
Oh, look at this!
Look at this!
They've definitely packed it very well. It's like the crown jewels.
Do you remember for the first book, we actually went to the printer who made these books and we saw them coming off the machines. So this has come all the way from Italy to us. No one has got this, just us.
Right, okay, cool, yes. So little snippy here.
Oh.
There we go.
You never know when you'll need bubble wrap.
We're almost in. There we go, look at that, that's good. Right, I've done one bit, now you should do the next. It's like pass the parcel.
7 hours later.
See some pink.
Oh
my goodness! Look at this thing, wow!
Black and pink and big and boshy. Ah, and there's us!
Picture of us on the back there. There we go, look at that.
There it is.
And the front. There it is, Speedy BOSH, new book. Looking really sexy. Pink.
Clean, and it looks neat, and it looks like it's just going to jump off the shelf. And also I like the fact it's pink because it will sit beautifully with book number 1 and 2.
And that looks cool.
Yeah.
For previous shoots, we've taken you behind the scenes. We've done a behind the scenes for BOSH. We did a behind the scenes for Bish Bash BOSH. But this shoot was done during the madness of COVID. So it was a social distanced shoot, which was tough work. Shout out to everyone, Lizzie Mason and Eleanor Silcock and all of the team at HarperCollins who helped us put a shoot together in the middle of lockdown. It was not easy. Let's have a quick chat about what's inside the book. First of all, the concept, speedy, quick recipes. Everything in here is going to be 30 minutes or less. Secondly, the structure. We want each recipe to be super easy to find so that you can just zero in on the right chapter and find that recipe effortlessly. None of these like crazy chapter names like food that I learned to cook when I was 15 years old, or investment cooking, or cooking like a pro. None of these crazy, weird, esoteric chapter names, all simple, obvious chapter names so that you can find recipes fast. Actually, what we've started this book with is a load of speedy hacks, cheats to cook more quickly. Things like using ready-made pastry and dough in order to make pizzas quicker or make a pie more quickly. How to layer flavor in order to get really tasty dishes but without spending lots and lots of time simmering and cooking. How to make quick sauces, how to get an instant cheesy flavor into anything. This thing is packed with hacks that are gonna help you to get more quick in the kitchen even if you're not using our recipes. So that's the idea. This is like an education on how to cook fast. Now let's have a look at some of the recipes. Crispy mushroom tacos, part of our street food tacos series, which also includes Indonesian cauliflower tacos and tartar sauce fish tacos. This is inspired by places like Club Mexicana in London, do incredible Mexican food, street food style. These are so fast to put together, and you've got gorgeous king oyster mushrooms, incredible quick pickled onions, and a chipotle mayo, all on top of a delicious bed of shredded lettuce. Cheats toad in the hole with curry gravy. This is a super speedy one where you essentially take a puff pastry layer and use that as your Yorkshire pudding for toad in the hole. That's gonna puff up around some delicious plant-based sausages, all topped with a delicious bratwurst, currywurst style sauce. Delicious and super quick. This is a cookie inside a frying pan. It's bonkers, I know. I can't believe we did it, but it makes so much sense once you know how to do it. It's crunchy on the outside, it's crumbly on the inside, it's sweet, it's got all of those perfect cookie flavors, super easy, and if you top it with a little bit of dairy-free ice cream, you're in for a treat. A 30-minute lasagna. Now that sounds ridiculous. You kind of think, is it really possible to make a lasagna in 30 minutes? Well, my friends, let me tell you, it is. This is essentially made with deli ingredients. So we've got pre-cooked veg, we create a super quick ragu, we layer flavors, sun-dried tomatoes are in there, artichokes are in there. You get an incredibly rich tasting ragu. Then we have a speedy bechamel, delicious, creamy, perfect. We have a special hack with those lasagna sheets to help them cook in no time at all. Under 30 minutes, lasagna, nailed it. So they're my favourites. Ian, have you got any favourites you'd like to add?
Oh yes, there are a fair few lovely
Got any
ones.
faves?
Do you know what? I'm going to kick off with a drink.
Oh yeah?
Yeah, and the drink I'm going to kick off with is this, the peanut iced coffee. Because it's so sort of refreshing and so sweet. It's like perfect for like it's like a Saturday summery morning.
Nice.
Really, really nice, delicious. Rocky roads that we made are so easy. It's just basically like biscuits and chocolate and various other bits and bobs all together. And I tell you something, it's perfect. With a cup of tea or a cup of coffee, you are absolutely laughing. 17th of September, right?
17th of September, this book is gonna drop. Do pre-order your copy. We've got a few here, which is very exciting. So if you wanna grab a copy, feel free, we'll pop a little link down below. If you just fancy watching this video again and getting inspiration, then by all means, feel free to do that too. So let us know your thoughts down in the comments below. Have you enjoyed this video? It's nice to be back in the kitchen talking again to you guys. And yeah, hopefully you're gonna love the book. See you next time.
See you guys.
Peace.